Last workshop. 3, 2, 1, and action. All right, so playing with rides and counterbalance, and one of the most basic drills that we didn't even get to, even though we might have mentioned on the first day, just this idea of matching. Remember that West Coast Swing is about matching, so if we leaned in towards each other, all right, we never lean the same direction, we're always matching in, we match away. If we went into a sit, if Tatiana dropped right away, I would sit too. And we're keeping our torso straight as we bend our knees.
We don't react like this.
Yeah. So, now going into our first reverse with that revolving turning basic, creating just a linear shape to really cutting through for 5. And again, noticing what's your torso doing, what's your hips doing, and a 6. Holding your weight so you can lead 1. And that was that tuck that slowed down. Most people that are having timing issues, a lot of you, it was on the pattern leaving an acceleration. So just be aware of how slow that feels. So then we went to this ride, we did a cutoff whip that kind of stepped side to establish some rotation. This is about to go round. I crossed for 5, 6, and my follower lifted here to show me she was about drop. So now this changes rhythm. So this is and cross and cross and cross, and that's part of that momentum of picking up speed.
Sitting also straight torso.
Yeah, so again, leaders, anytime you cross, you watch that she's the axis, her right foot doesn't move, so you have to keep crossing and tucking that foot in. There's different ways that we practice this with students if we do just a private lesson on this. Sometimes we'll hold both shoulder blades. Sometimes like we'll do this and then the follower will hold his elbows. So like we'll do like just drills with frame and the follower can separate. And I had to mention this because if there's a huge height difference, sometimes a follower wouldn't feel comfortable reaching to here if she has to sit. So the first thing would be the sit. This is the primary connection, is that hand on the shoulder blade. And then this could work, that arm could be off.
Here, I can go here to the cage.
Yeah, and it could be off. Now we're looking for that rhythm of downbeat and upbeat, which feels similar to the revolving turning basic.
The leader leads it.
If a leader leads it, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, if a follower initiates it,
I just kind of stand up just a little bit and then I get away. That's how small. I don't know if you can even see it. It's that small, and that's one of the comments Jordan had. His followers were making this up so big and long that you were missing now the downbeat of the hitch.
And leaders sometimes saw the up. So leaders saw, really quick talk, leaders saw the up as that's our bounce. So we were pulling you off your feet. So what we want to notice is that you're going into a hitch. Bounce, bounce. Oh, now we're out. And then just knowing your slot, leaders, you don't want to lose track to where you started this pattern. So you're dancing linear, you're leading her up and down the track. As you go into something circular, being aware, but there's the wall, there's my finish. There's the wall, there's my finish. Either side, okay?
Cool.
Great job this weekend.